This has no batteries in it or anything. It's just the flow of the water that somehow generates the electricity in there, the current in there to turn the light on. So
shut up! You don't think Ryan is famous?
Cousin Ryan.
You gotta.
Hey, what's up, YouTube friends and family? It's Cousin Ryan, and I've got a little something here that's different than what we usually do on this channel. I needed to replace the shower head in my bathroom, and instead of just getting an ordinary boring shower head, I decided to get one with an LED light that is temperature sensitive to the temperature of the water flowing through it. So I found one on Amazon. It was like 30 bucks. We'll see how it works. We'll unbox it here, and then I'll bring you in the bathroom, and we'll go ahead and change it together. I did open this already thinking it was boxed inside the box. It was shipped in this box, and then when I opened it, I went, oh, that's actually the shower head's box. So anyway, it came with Teflon tape, which is pretty cool. I'm not a plumber. I don't have any professional experience plumbing, so we're just going to do this my way, and so far my way has worked. Anyway, shower head. This looks like the fitting that will go onto the wall where the water comes out of the wall. And here's the hose and a grommet for a gasket and some instructions, and that's pretty much it. So let's go do this.
okay, so here we go. Again, I'm not a plumber. I put this on like 10 years ago. It's worked flawlessly ever since. So if you are a plumber, you can tell me I didn't do this right, and that's fine. It worked for me. But anyway, in fact, the only reason I'm changing this is I wanted a shower head that had the hose on it and, you know, detachable. So I would suggest really holding onto this so you don't twist on this part at all. And then obviously this wrench is overkill. Well, that wasn't on there very tight, was it? Oh well, it didn't leak. In 10 years, it did not leak. Let's get... Boy, that's on there. And there we go, it's off. One thing I did with this, I pulled out that dang little, you know, the low flow screen in there, because it's like, it's that whole, sure, it saves water, but you spend twice as much time in the shower because there's no water pressure. So this thing really, I hope the new shower head puts out as much water as this one did, because it knocked the soap off in a hurry, and the dirt. Get the old Teflon off of there. Those threads look pretty good. The old. All right. Let's get our new strip of Teflon on here. Start over with a clean piece. I don't know if there's a magic number of times to wrap this, but I think that should be good. Now this one is just a plastic. I don't know that I'm a fan of that, but So I'm not sure if this end needs Teflon tape or not, but I'm going to go ahead and put some around there just because it's always my opinion to overdo things than under. All right. One more washer gasket in here. Screw on the shower head. It's actually raised it up quite a bit compared to the old one, which I like. So let's give her a shot. Look at that. Blue. That's pretty cool. We don't have any leaks over here, which is awesome. No leaks anywhere. I like it. Let's turn the heat up now. Oh, and it goes red. Let's turn it back down. Still feels pretty warm there. There we go, there's green again. And let's see, what is this? All right, you can see all the different settings there. Okay, let's go ahead and shut this off. It would appear, so this has no batteries in it or anything. It's just the flow of the water that somehow generates the electricity in there, the current in there to turn the light on. So my guess is when you move this to this point and the water speed slows down, it's not enough to keep that current going to keep the light on, because it works in all the other positions. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for hanging out while I put this new shower head on in my bathroom, and we'll see you guys soon. Hey Rye, you really want a lot of stuff there. What'd that cost?